What if the foundation that claims to magically match every skin tone isn't as advanced as it looks? The Smooche Color-Changing Foundation has been gaining attention online with bold promises of adapting instantly to any complexion while creating a smooth, flawless, and natural-looking finish. At first glance, the concept sounds impressive, but once you take a closer look at how these products actually work, the marketing begins to raise some important questions. The foundation is promoted as a one-shade-fits-all solution, yet color-changing formulas typically rely on basic pigment capsules that adjust within a limited shade range rather than truly matching every skin tone. This means the final result may vary significantly from person to person, especially for individuals with very fair, very deep, or unique undertones. Another claim frequently used in promotions is long-lasting wear and a perfect finish throughout the day, but these types of performance claims are often difficult to verify without independent testing. Looking further into the product, many of the reviews highlighted in advertisements appear to come from controlled sources connected to the brand, making it harder to determine overall customer satisfaction. Some promotional images and dramatic before and after comparisons also raise concerns, because similar visuals are commonly reused across multiple online campaigns. Trustpilot and other review platforms show a mixture of positive experiences and complaints, with some customers mentioning shipping delays, product quality concerns, or differences between expectations and reality. Transparency is another issue worth considering, as clear information about the manufacturer and product origins is limited. Adding to the skepticism, nearly identical color-changing foundations can be found under different brand names and sold through wholesale marketplaces for a fraction of the advertised price. While the Smooche Color-Changing Foundation may work adequately for some users, the available evidence suggests consumers should approach the marketing claims carefully, do independent research, and set realistic expectations before making a purchase decision.